Hi everyone, this is Noble Swan, a safe and a spiritual space where we delve into the universal meanings of your worldly experiences. If you find yourself here today, there may be a message for you. Interesting. This message is for those who have found a partnership recently in life. It's a message concerning those who have recently tapped into the kind of emotional fulfillment which an equal and a fair and a just somehow there's something about justice or fairness coming up, who've just tapped into the emotional fulfillment that a relationship offers on this material realm. So if this is you, then this is confirmation that this reading is for you. And so it's very naturally progressing into a celebration. For most of you, you have found the one. For most of you, someone who gets each other, someone who understands each other on a very deep level. On a level you resonate with each other, it's almost telepathic. The other person can understand what you're going to say, what you're thinking, what you're feeling, without you actually have to verbalize it. And this is progressing. So this is the card of your present energy surrounding you. This is progressing organically. This particular connection has now reached a point where you feel very natural to introduce that person, that partnership to your family, and give the nod for celebrations is what I'm getting. Give the nod for celebrations. To those of you, this is a kind of a recompensation which you are getting in the form of this partner. And then later on, the acceptance of this partner and a warranted celebration of the coming together of these two souls. You know who you are. And why I say this is a recompensation for you from the universe, because you've closed a cycle. A very tough cycle which had to end the way it did. Okay, now this has come at a time where you reached the lowest possible that you could have in that particular field. There was nothing else that could have happened, nothing else that could have worked. Thinking about it was simply a waste of your energy, so it's good that you chose to move on. And it's because of the pain which you've gone through. This is a soulmate, okay? And when I say soulmate, I say this is the reason why you resonate on such a deep level. Because you are familiars. You are familiars. You've lived not one, not two, albeit many lifetimes together, in very interesting exchangeable roles too. But this time it's something special. With the card of celebrations coming up, there is nothing which can go wrong. I mean, this seems like long due. This is a soulmate, okay? And more than anything, what's to come ahead for you, to the collective who has tuned in today, for the collective who I'm channeling these messages, this is a future of deep healing for you. Of deep healing for you. There are going to be moments in the relationship where you're both going to realize where the past memories are going to come up, and they're going to come up so that you can, compare and contrast how things were in the past and exactly how perfect things are in this lifetime now. And I saw 55 in my phone in my time, and this wasn't something that you were expecting. And I saw 515 again, but it's on its way to you very quickly. Very quickly. This is a rapid development. You're already in this connection. It could be telepathic or it could be in person. But this is something which brings peace not only to both of your souls but also to the souls of the universe. Your union is something which is cherished by the universe. I hope this helps. Until next time, bye.